How to apply for Milestone credit card. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for Milestone credit card. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open up any of your web browsers, then head over to milestonegoldcard.com. Once you land on this page, so if you want to apply for Milestone credit card, tap on the Apply Now option. But before you apply, you want to make sure that this credit card is the best for you. To find out, you can simply check out the benefits of the credit card. And once you are sure that you want this credit card, tap on Apply Now. Once you tap on it, you will land to this page. Here you have to fill up all the information. So go ahead and enter your name, address, email address and phone number. Now also enter your date of birth and social security number. Then most importantly, enter your total monthly income and total monthly expenses. Once you have filled out all the information, scroll down and go through all of these terms and conditions, and if you accept, you want to tap on Accept option. Now again scroll down to the end and then tap on Submit Application, and your application has been submitted. Now Milestone will review your application, and if you are eligible, you are going to get the Milestone credit card approved. Upon the approval, you will receive your new Milestone credit card within 2 to 3 weeks. So that is how you can apply for Milestone credit card. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Until then, see you next time.